Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove main rotating brush on a Xiaomi robot vacuum. To do this, first we'll need to flip our robot so we can see the brush right here. Then to remove it we'll need to press on those two buttons and release the cover. Then there's the brush. To pull it out, simply make it move from the right side and then pull it to the right, and it goes out like that. Then to put it back in, you will need to align it with the square slot to the left, slide it in, and then align the right slot until you hear the click. Pick up the cover and also click it in. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.